So I got a request from my friend who wanted to learn more about like MIOB software. So I thought I would like to share my knowledge and my perspective on this kind of stuff. So before I delve into the MIOB software that you wanted to learn, I thought I'll give you a brief like basic fundamentals of accounting. So when you think of accounting, well, when I think of accounting, there are two types. So there's public practice side and commercial side. As listed here, there's tax, audit, forensic accounting, business services. Business services is what I'm doing right now, and tax. So that's like the fundamental. I think tax is like the most known accounting. But then also there's commercial side where there's financial accounting, management accounting, and systems accounting, which I have had some experience with, but I don't think that's accounting at all. But anyways, what I saw in commercial was financial accounting was getting automated by the robots. I guess it is basic debits and credits, but yeah, I'm not really sure because I didn't really work on it. But management accounting, I was kind of interested in with it. And also they did say this is gonna last for a long time because this is mostly strategic side of things. So like how to utilize more effectively. In order to do that, you gotta use some accounting knowledge. But for tax, you gotta know all the legislations and be up to date with everything. And audit is apparently there's a high turnover. I don't think you guys want to learn this kind of stuff, but I'm just giving you like what I know in case other people want to know what's going on with accounting world. Audit is apparently they say a lot of non-accounting graduates are going to audit because this is like checking whether things are done right. So audit, and there's forensic accounting. I know someone who came from forensic accounting industry, and they said they don't hire a fresh graduate because you need to have some experience in this field. It's because this is like a detective of the accountants. Yeah, because you have to, like, I think this is mostly seen in insurance companies where you have to find out why the transaction was incorrect. I don't know, insolvency, there's insolvency as well. But anyways, business services is mostly to do with businesses, tax for a business, giving them professional advice as well. So there are different types of accounting. So accounting is not just one, you know, like tedious checking and all that kind of stuff. It's more, there are various diverse roles, just like other industries.